Ziona, head of the world's largest family, no more. One of the most popular person in Mizoram and the head of world's largest family, Ziona, breathed his last at Trinity Hospital, Aizawl at around 3 p.m. He was brought to the hospital after his condition was critical due to diabetes and high blood pressure. Ziona was survived by 39 wives, 94 children and 33 grandchildren. He was 76. Ziona is chief of the group known as Lalpa'n, which was established by his father. The sect practices polygamy. Tana sect followers claim that its origin is traced to the Bible's Revelation chapter 22, or the rule of 1,000 years by Jesus Christ on earth. The sect was originally named Chhungkua after the founder Chhungkua. He founded it on 12th June 1942. The sect was originally named Chhungkua after the founder Chhungkua. He founded it on 12th June 1942 when his disciples were removed from Mangtha village by the headman of the village for propagating a theology considered wrong and dangerous. The sect celebrates its founding day as Bok Tekut, or the Festival of the Hut on 12th June every year. Members of the Tana sect number about 2,000 who reside in the tawngtaina village.
All social media chi rang tanga chanchin thar kan hriat dana chuan voin June ni som pathum sang ni som ni pakhat Zion nga ka Pu Ziona tia kan lo hriat lar ber chu voin tlai khan a boral Pu Ziona hi bak tawng atangin Trinity Hospital Aizawl panpuania damdoi in thlen puani hian alo thi to nia hriat ani Pu Ziona hi kumsom sari paruk mi ni in zanin tlai dar thuma khan a borala ama hi thisen sang le zon thlum nei ani chuan thar VLTF atanga zoram mi puite ne nangen na le hriat tirna ole he source Facebook atanga la kania tian kan chiarange kan ho tu pa Pu Ziona boral chungchanga chuan thar VLTF te chuan tun COVID-19 shileng wanga sarkar dan siam angin in kai shruaina kalpuani dona chu wangin ama laina tu te hundang mi te local lo turin kanin hriat tir ani zamrelawa secretary chuan tharatlang nom VLTF Pu Ziona ruang hian kholamalak turin bial tu MLA ER lalrin oma by speaker hova boy pui ani ole Mizoram chuan world record low break masaber tila kanti swal tampui lowang ka hre swal pal ani chuan milo ngai dam ula keini shon vala le chung te chuan heti khopa mi fel le milar miro pui an boral tamai chu kanui tak mewani Lusun chhungkua te kan tor pui tak zet akal santa kan pui fanau tele a khopui te ta ni tawngtai sak molang u